50 years ago, Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. spoke about that other America, about the difficulties of fighting for true equality after laws like the Civil Rights Act passed. And it's much easier to integrate a public park, he said, than it is to make genuine, quality, integrated education a reality. And of course, we've made significant progress since Dr. King's time. But in truth, our nation's education system still suffers from the inequities that have plagued us for decades. But as Dr. King said on this stage, the arc of the moral universe is long, but it bends towards justice. And I believe that we all share the responsibility of this arc.